would not read about it, pull into Inaminka and we pick up a screw in the tyre.
So we've just got a screw picked up on the road in Inaminka. After all the kilometres we've done, I'm grateful it's just a screw and nothing more serious.
Yeah, it's tough to get out, isn't it?
It's a little bugger.
How lucky is it to go in?
We'll just change tools.
Wait for the noise.
We'll have to unscrew this one.
You got your tyre plugs ready?
Yep, tyre plugs are ready. We've just done 6,000 k's up the Hay River across the Simpson, and we get a screw coming into a service station. Have a go at the size of this thing.
That's massive.
It only just happened because the tyre started going down fairly quickly.
Yeah. That's huge.
Gonna have to keep unscrewing it.
Yeah. Wow, that's crazy long. No wonder it went in the tyre. It's a good couple of inches long.
So there we go, we've got that come out of our tyre. We need to find somewhere safe to put that. So we're going to grab the tyre repair kit now. We'll fill that back up. So we'll put him there for now. Let's not forget him.
Yeah.
Trusty Ironman tyre repair kit. Bit of lube.
Oh, sorry.
Just got to make the whole rim out a bit. I'm actually really glad that we didn't rip a sidewall or something with all the rocks that are around. Alright. Have we reamed that out? I'm just going to leave that there for now. We're going to make up a plug. Vulcanised rubber plugs, got cords inside. Just keeping in mind this is emergency repair, although we do have 2 spares on the back. We're running late in the afternoon and we want to get to camp, so we're just going to do emergency for now and we'll swap a tyre over later. Just pull that through.
That's exactly what these Ironman tyre repair kits are for, isn't it, Ed?
Yep. Hard to get a bit of leverage here, but we've got to push down on it.
Yeah, it's a pretty confined space, isn't it?
There we go.
So what you did was pull a foreign item out, put the spreader in there to make the hole a bit bigger, and why did you do that?
Just so we can fit the plug insertion tool in.
Okay.
See, it's a bit wider, so that screw's only, let's have a look. So that screw's only about that, but we've got to get that in.
Yeah.
So we ream it out a bit, get the cord in.
Yeah.
And there's no more hissing, Kerr.
No, I can't hear it.
So you go down there.
You can probably hear a huge generator going behind us, but there's no hissing from the tyre.
Alright, so we'll just put these away. Now, I've mounted an Ironman compressor on board. So we'll just pump it up, we'll set a pressure.